In this video, I'm going to show you how to record your voice on your laptop or computer. So all you need to do is open up the start menu and go and search for Sound Recorder, and you need to click on this app here, which is Sound Recorder. Now, if you don't have this app installed on your computer, you can always just head over to the Microsoft Store, and then you can just go and search for Sound Recorder, and you can scroll down to the Windows Sound Recorder and install it from here. Now, once you have this app open, we need to click on the drop down arrow in the bottom left hand side, and you need to go and select the microphone that you want to record your voice from. So if you have an external microphone, you can select it here, and if you're using your laptop microphone, you can also go and select that here. Now when you're ready to start recording, just click on this record button. You may get a notification asking for access, just press yes, and once you finish the recording, click on the stop button. Now if you want to go and access all of your saved recordings, you can just right click on the recording over in the left hand side, and you can press show in folder. And this is the location where all of your sound recordings will be saved. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.